So here is an example of another type of phase transition. We've been talking about phase transformations in the context of solid to liquid or liquid to gas. But this is something called the Curie point, where a magnet goes from being magnetic to non-magnetic. So what we have over here is a bar magnet. There's a north pole and a south pole and a little steel ball bearing. And you can see that it attracts the magnet, rather the magnet attracts the steel. That's because there is some iron in the steel that then gets oriented and becomes like little magnets itself and is therefore attracted to one pole of this magnet. What I'm going to do is, so because this corresponds to a phase transition in which these little magnets line up and such that the opposite pole is attracted to the opposite pole over here, opposites attract like with charges. This happens at a certain temperature, so at room temperature this can happen. But when I heat this up, it will go beyond a temperature called the Curie temperature, where it stops all those atoms and molecules that were lined up, or rather those electron spins that were lined up are no longer in that nice lockstep, and they fall out of order, if you like, and you'll see what happens. So I'm heating it pretty directly. You can see I need to get quite close to the steel ball. It still takes a while. Finally. I don't know if you could see it as it fell, but it was red hot.